Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. As you can see here, guys, I have the Motorola Moto G7, and as you see here on the desk, this is the smartphone in question. On the front of the device here, you can see on the back, on the sides, you can see it's quite a nice device. It's actually an affordable device provided by Motorola that comes in at about $200+ US. And as you can see here, this is the front of the device. This device is brand new. You can see the Motorola branding too at the bottom of the screen there. This is device powered up like the icon around the time there. Just a Motorola touch, and on the back you can see the camera with the flash along with the Moto symbol. On the side you have the power along with the volume up and down button. Alright, quite nice glass look here. And the block, although the block is kind of a fingerprint magnet, at the base you can see the charge port and the headphone jack. At the top, the SIM tray, that's ejectable right there. And of course the battery and everything is built in. You can see the front of the device. You have the Motorola icons here. And of course, one of the things I like about this is the display of the device. It's a very nice display, looks stunning and nice to look at. You'll see what I'm talking about if you actually have this device in person. It has a unique look. You can see the app icon trays down here along with the smooth flow here. Unlike other devices, this is a vertical scroll. So you go into settings here, you can see the layout of Motorola's user interface. And we go down here, I'm going to check out what version of Android is shipped with out the box. If we go to system here, you can see it says here Moto G7. And as about the device, you can see here that it is running Android version 9, which is Android Pie. And of course, guys, you'll love this device for its simplistic look, along with the very sharp graphics that comes along with it. And as you can see here, these are the quick toggles, quite intuitive if you have ever used an Android device. And of course, this is a skin version with Motorola's custom skin. You can see the dialer, quite intuitive again. You can see here it's a brand new phone. I've never used it before. Like the layout of this skin, you can see the dialer and everything as seen on screen here. And you have the back, home and menu button. On the back here, that's a fingerprint scanner in the M. That's the Motorola logo there, but it's actually a fingerprint scanner, which is a nice touch or unique touch. As you launch the camera here, you can see the camera. And the camera takes okay or good pictures, which is another thing I must highlight. And there are also other built-in options here, such as the assistant that can actually bring up information on what the camera is seeing and so on and so forth. But as we say, guys, this is just a quick look, and we're just showing you some of the basics that to look forward to in the Motorola Moto. Nice offering from Motorola. So if you're in the market for something like this, you can actually pick it up for yourself. Alright guys, so this has been Ricardo Garner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you the Motorola Moto G7, which is an affordable offering from Motorola that you should definitely give a try to. So, Ricardo, same bye until next time. Bye.